Today we're going to talk about volumes of cylinders and pyramids. The first one we're going to look at is volume of a cylinder. So our formula for that is going to be area of the base, volume equals capital B times height. So area of the base, which is pi r squared, times the height of your cylinder. So volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times h, where your radius is here for r and your height is here. Remember, if they give you the diameter, just to divide it by 2 in order to find your radius. We're going to do a couple examples. Sorry about my drawing. So if our height is 6.1 centimeters and our radius is 3.4, we are going to do volume equals area of the base times the height. Our area of the base is pi times 3.4 squared times 6.1. You can then put that in your calculator, but I expect to at least see these two steps before I see a final answer. So 3.4 raised to the second times 6.1 times pi. We want to round it to the nearest tenths place, so 221.5 centimeters cubed. Remember, since we're talking about volume, you want the 3 for cubed. Let's try another one. So here is our cylinder. We are going to have a diameter of 7.8 inches and a height of 14.7. So if our diameter is 7.8, then our radius is going to be 3.9. We just divided it by 2. And now we can use our formula. So volume equals area of the base times the height. Area of the base is pi r squared, so pi times 7.8 squared times 14.7. So 7.8 raised to the second power times 14.7 times pi is 2,809.7 inches cubed. Now, I'm going to draw this one out, and I want you to try it on your own. So once I have it drawn, you can pause the video, go ahead and work it out on your own, and then come back and check your answer. So I'm going to use a diameter of 7.8 meters and a height of 12.4. So go ahead and use that formula, pause the video, find it yourself, and come back and check your answer. So volume equals area of the base times the height. So if our diameter is 7.8, our radius is 3.9. So we have pi times our radius squared times 12.4. So 3.9 raised to the second times 12.4 times pi. Your answer should be 592.5 meters cubed. All right, the next one we're going to look at is volume of a pyramid. The pyramids that we are going to be working at for volume are going to be four-sided, and they are going to be either rectangle or square bottom. Our formula is going to be volume equals length times width times height divided by 3. You'll see the length and the width typically here, but there are two places that you could possibly see your height. You could have them draw another line down like this and make a right angle to say that's your height, or sometimes they will have a line that goes from the top to the bottom, and that will be your height. So it could be in one of two places. So if it's not here, it's going to be on the side over here. If it's not on the side, it'll be in your triangle. So this is your formula for volume of a pyramid. So we're going to try one both ways just so you can see where the height could be two different places. Now, your base could either be a square or a rectangle. It doesn't matter, and this formula will still work. So we have 3.4, 4.7, and I'm going to put it here, so 8.2. So remember, we need to write our formula. Volume equals length times width times height over 3. So this is going to be 3.4 times 4.7 times 8.2 divided by 3. So then I want to see your top number, so 131.036. And then you can divide by 3. So 43.7 inches cubed. So these are the 3 steps I want to see. I want to see you write out your formula. Then I want to see you plug in your numbers. I want whatever your number is over 3 before I see your final answer. All right, let's try another one. All right, we have 2.4, 7.4, and 8.7. So we have volume equals length times width times height over 3. So 2.4 times 7.4 times 8.7 over 3. So when you multiply the top, you get 154.512 over 3. That equals 51.5, we'll say centimeters cubed. So bring your notes with you tomorrow. We are going to work with volumes of pyramids and cylinders tomorrow during class. So make sure you bring your notes and your formulas so you have that to work with.